Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to change TikTok username. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application or your TikTok application is up to date. So what you're going to do here is to launch or open your TikTok application. And then once you decide that you want to change your username, it's pretty easy. You just have to click your profile at the bottom right corner, tap profile here or this person icon, and then you have to click this edit profile. Okay, so edit profile. And then under edit profile, you will see options about you, a name, and username. So what you're going to do is to click this username right here. And you have to think of a unique username. So usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. So as you can see here, if you start to type a username, probably if it's not available, then you will see this notification, this username isn't available. So you have to think of a unique username and you have to wait till you see the check icon or check symbol here. So as you can see, this one is available since I can see this color green check right here. So the next thing to do is to click the save icon at the top right corner and then click confirm. Wait for a couple of seconds and as you can see, username and name updated. So if you go back to your profile, you can see here that your username has been changed. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.